Is it necessary to add shading to microblading? Watch this video to know if you are a good candidate for microblading and shading. And what is microshading and hybrid brows are. And be sure to stay until the end for a free checklist that will help you to know if you are a good candidate. For the best microblading, shading and permanent makeup treatment, training advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new video every Wednesday. If you want to know when it's necessary to add shading to microblading and who can benefit from it, then watch this video. I will be explaining everything in detail. When to add shading to microblading. If someone has sparse brows naturally, or they have a hair loss due to any medical condition like alopecia or maybe chemotherapy, shading is a good option to give them more fuller brows, as only with microblading it cannot be achieved. Microshading and hybrid brows. Basically, it's the same thing, it's just a different terminology which is used in permanent makeup industry. It is also sometimes used as micropigmentation, blade and shade. So this is basically the same thing. So don't get confused. It just means the same, microblading and shading. Have you been using pencils or maybe powder shadows on your sparse brows? Comment below yes if this applies, and let me know which brand is your favorite. How to do shading? It is a manual technique done with a round needle by depositing pigments into the layer of the skin. I generally use disposable blade and shade tool. It is available on my website. Before and after. As you can see how fuller and defined her eyebrows look. Here are some of the examples of my work. To see more of my work, you can check out my Instagram. Now you can make more informed decision whether to add shading to microblading. But do you know what could be a contraindication for the treatment? I have created a free checklist on what medication you should be avoiding. Check out the link in the description. If you are in Toronto or surrounding areas, then book a free consultation with me. Link is in the description. If you like this video, then let me know by liking it below and subscribe. If you know someone who can benefit from microblading and shading, please share this video with them. If you have any question regarding this procedure, let me know in the comments. See you next week with another topic on microblading.